Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable multi-factor authentication or MFA here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To enable multi-factor authentication or MFA in Salesforce, you just have to follow these simple steps to improve the security of your organization by adding an extra layer of protection during the login process. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon. That's going to be the setup. I want you to click on it and you would be forwarded here in this interface. You have to go to the quick find in the upper left corner. Type in, this is very important, identity verification. You see that? Click on it. Now, this is the simplest way for you to enable MFA or multi-factor authentication requirement. All you have to do is hover to this section that says MFA, right? Check the box that says require multi-factor authentication MFA for user interface logins. It's very easy. Once you did that, all you have to do is click on save and you should be able to turn on the MFA without any problem. But the thing is, if you are encountering any problems or issues turning on this option, for example, it's not letting you check the box or not letting you save, you might want to go to the Salesforce help here, because that means we need to get some Salesforce help. All right, you know, sometimes there's gonna be a trouble, like a bug glitch, or the site is down, or there's gonna be a problem with our account, so we need to get some help from the support staff. And if you get a hold of one of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems turning on or activating your multi-factor authentications here on your Salesforce account, and one of the customer support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Now, also, I just wanted to make sure that if you wanted to use permission sets for MFA, these are going to be your option, this is optional. All right, this is only for specific users rather than the whole organization. You can use a permission set by clicking on the settings right here. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.